Conversation. Talking about possessions, using have and has. Situation. Emma and Jack are sitting in a cafe, talking about their belongings, their families, and things their friends own. They use have and has to describe what people possess. Hey Jack, I noticed you have a new backpack. It looks really nice.
Yes, I have a new backpack. My parents bought it for me last week.
That's great. It looks very strong and stylish. Does it have many pockets?
Yes, it has 3 big compartments and 2 side pockets for water bottles.
Wow, that's really useful. I have an old backpack, but I like it because it has a lot of space inside.
That's good. Having a big backpack is important, especially for carrying books and a laptop.
Yes. Speaking of laptops, do you have one?
Yes, I have a laptop. I use it for studying and watching movies.
That's nice. I don't have a laptop, but I have a tablet. I use it for reading books and taking notes.
Tablets are really useful too. My sister has a tablet and she uses it for drawing and playing games.
Oh, that sounds fun. By the way, do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Bruno, and he is very playful.
That's so cute. My best friend has a dog too, and she loves playing with him every day.
Dogs are amazing pets. What about you? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna, and she has beautiful green eyes.
That's wonderful. I love cats too. My cousin has a cat, and it always sleeps on his bed.
Yes, cats love to sleep. Luna has a small bed in my room, and she sleeps there most of the time.
That's adorable. Oh, by the way, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. He has so many toys, and he always plays with them.
Ha ha! Little brothers love toys. I have an older sister, and she has a huge collection of books. She loves reading.
That's great. I love reading too. I have many books at home, and I read every night before bed.
Reading is a great habit. My father has a big bookshelf at home, and he always buys new books to add to it.
That's nice. My mom has a small garden, and she takes care of many beautiful flowers.
Oh, my grandmother has a garden too. She grows vegetables and fresh herbs.
That's amazing. Fresh vegetables are really healthy.
Yes, they are. Oh, do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle. I ride it every morning in the park.
That's a great way to stay healthy. I don't have a bicycle, but I have a skateboard. I love riding it in my free time.
That sounds fun. My cousin has a skateboard too, and he always practices new tricks.
Skateboarding is really exciting. By the way, do you have a camera?
No, I don't have a camera, but I have a good phone, and it has a great camera.
That's great. I have a camera, and I love taking pictures of nature.
That's so cool. Photography is a wonderful hobby.
Yes, we all have different things, but what really matters is how we use them.
That's true. It's not about what we have, but how we enjoy and appreciate it. Grammar focus. Using have and has. We use have and has to talk about possessions, things that belong to someone. Rules. 1. Use have with I, you, we. The example, I have a book. They have 2 dogs. 2. Use has with he, she, it, and singular names. Example, she has a cat. John has a new phone. Examples from the conversation. I have a new backpack. It has many pockets. She has a beautiful cat. My father has a big bookshelf. They have a garden.